Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. Now folks, if you have seen those videos or footage of the Volvo XC40 versus the Hyundai Kona crashing against the wall, both of those cars looks terrible after the crash. But that isn't going to be enough to determine which one is better. Which is why we are going to give you the analysis of those crash tests. But before we jump into the analysis, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Now, let's just get right into the analysis, folks. The Volvo XC40 and the Hyundai Kona is actually a symbol of how cars have gotten into in today's world. These cars are really just what cars have become. It is what people prefer to drive today. Not necessarily a bad thing, I'm just pointing that this is where cars is going nowadays. You probably think that the Volvo will get a better crash test score because it's just more premium than the Hyundai. Well, I guess we'll find out. As usual, we also uses the same crash test report from the IIHS organizations, starting from the top. Now as you can see here folks, both of these cars really perform well in terms of crashworthiness, with average sections earns a good score. And then in the crash avoidance and mitigation system, they both basically earns the same score. And then the last but not least on the child seat anchors, the Hyundai Kona earns a marginal score, while the XC40 earns an acceptable score. The conclusion is, you can see here folks, that these cars are the same. It's the same car in terms of crash test. Yes, the Volvo XC40 is a little bit more premium and dare I say better looking than the Hyundai Kona. But in the end, they just went toe to toe. The only difference is in the crash avoidance and mitigations. The Kona gets a superior score in the optional crash prevention system, while the Volvo earns a superior in the standard crash prevention system. Well, I guess that's where the premium comes into play. So there you have it folks, the Volvo XC40 versus the Hyundai Kona. If you have requests on any cars that you want to see the comparison of, let me know by leaving a comment down below. See ya folks!